How to check your email and password on Oculus Quest. So if you want to check your email and password on Oculus Quest, then what you need to do is check your internet connection. Once your internet connection is stable, you can open up your Google or your Chrome browser or any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with Google. And once you've opened your Google or browser, you need to go for the search or the search bar and search for Oculus login. Once you've searched for Oculus login, now you will have this kind of interface where you can simply go for the first search, which is login Oculus/meta. Once you're here, make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, here on the upper side, it will take you to this kind of page, which is profile. Or if you don't have that, then you need to simply tap on profile, and then you need to go for your profile. And once you're here on the profile, if you scroll down, here you will have your name and then your username, and you will have your email address of your Oculus Quest. So from here you can have all of the information. Or if you don't have the information here, then what you need to do is you need to go back and then go for the upper right, which has your profile, and under your profile go for manage your Google account, and you need to simply go for security, and then here on the bottom or all the way to the bottom you will have manage password option. Tap on manage password, and from here you will have all of the passwords. So if you have saved any password, then you need to simply search for Oculus. If you have searched for your Oculus password, then you will have here. So for now I have not searched or I have not saved any Oculus passwords. So for example, if I choose Amazon, you need to enter your fingerprint or your password, and once you choose Amazon, here you will have all of the email address and passwords of that Amazon link or that Amazon account. So if you have saved any passwords of your Oculus Quest, then you will have Oculus Quest and you can have your email and password of that particular account. So these were the two ways in which you can check your email and password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.